Now let's take things a step further and look at how to navigate the website and personalize your experience. Start by opening your browser and going to DexScreener.com. Once you're on the site, choose the blockchain you want to explore, whether it's Ethereum, Solana, or any other chain from the list. From there, you can instantly browse trading pairs. Check volume and liquidity, or simply use the search bar to look up specific tokens if you want to personalize the platform. You can sign in or connect a wallet. Just look for the sign in or profile icon, usually located in the top right corner, and click it. You'll be given different options to sign in. You can connect a crypto wallet like MetaMask or Phantom and link it directly, or you can use your Google or Apple account for quick access. If you prefer not to sign in at all, you can still manage your portfolio by going to the portfolio section and pasting your public wallet address. The platform will automatically load every token stored in that wallet so you can track everything in one place.